The 2015 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sprint. Alfa Romeo introduced the Giulietta name in 1954 for a series of compact cars that included sedan, coupe and convertible models. One of Alfa's most iconic nameplates, the Giulietta is known for its beautiful coachwork, done at Bertone, Pininfarina and Zagato, and sporty ambitions. All versions of the car are known to have been involved in motorsport one way or the other, but the coupe is particularly famous for spawning the Sprint Zagato and Sprint Speciale models. The Giulietta was replaced with the Giulia in 1965, and the name remained dormant until 2010, when it was revived for a compact hatchback. Developed to replace the aging 147, the current Giulietta received its first refresh in 2014. For 2015, Alfa Romeo is expanding the lineup by adding a Sprint model, which comes with several exclusive features inside and out, as well as a brand new engine. The introduction of the Giulietta Sprint takes place as the brand celebrates the 60th anniversary of the nameplate. The original Giulietta Sprint was unveiled in late 1954, a few months after the standard Giulietta was launched. Although the current car has nothing in common with the gorgeous coupe of the 1950s, I appreciate Alfa using the new Giulietta to celebrate the Sprint and remind us of the company's glorious past. Click past the jump to read more about the 2015 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sprint. Exterior. The list of exterior additions is rather short, but the new details help to separate the Sprint version from a normal Giulietta. The most noticeable update is around back, where a new bumper incorporating a diffuser-like apron with 4 fins replaces the standard piece. The sporty character of the hatchback is enhanced by oversized, chrome exhaust pipes. Unfortunately, the Sprint remains stock up front, with the glossy anthracite finish of the front grille and the fog light frames being the only detail that sets it apart from the regular Giulietta. The same finish has been applied to the mirror caps and the door handles, complemented by tinted rear windows for a stealthier look. The package also adds a set of 17-inch, 5-hole, alloy wheels as standard equipment. Customers in need of bigger rollers can go for the optional 18-inch units that feature the same design. Rounding off the exterior are the mandatory Sprint badges on the front fenders. Interior. Inside, the Sprint is essentially a Giulietta with extra standard features and a black sports trim. The bolstered seats are wrapped in fabric and Alcantara stitched together with red thread, while the headrests come with red Sprint lettering. A leather-covered steering wheel with red stitching is also included, while the dashboard and door panels sport a carbon-colored finish. The black interior theme continues with black roof lining and special floor mats. As far as technology and convenience features go, the Giulietta Sprint is equipped with standard cruise control, rear parking sensors and Alfa's new Uconnect multimedia system with either a 5 or a 6.5-inch touchscreen. The latter includes a satellite navigation system with 3D bird's-eye view maps, progressive route guidance and the one-step voice entry destination function for entering the required destination with voice commands. Drivetrain. Just like the regular Giulietta, the Sprint model is available with a bevy of gasoline and diesel engines, and even an LPG unit. There is, however, a brand new engine on the table, in the form of a 1.4-liter, 4-cylinder, multi-air unit rated at 150 horsepower. This mill enables the Sprint to reach 60 miles per hour from a standing start in 8.2 seconds and a top speed of 210 kilometers per hour, 130 miles per hour. With this engine under the hood, the Giulietta Sprint sips 5.6 liters of gasoline for each 100 kilometers, which translate into about 42 US mpg. The engine lineup also includes a 170-pony version of the same 1.4-liter, multi-air unit. This one comes with a TCT twin-clutch automatic, and 3 different oil burners. The 1.6-liter JTDM generates 105 horses, while the 2.0-liter JTDM can be had with either 150 ponies or 175 horsepower. Lastly, the 1.4-liter LPG mill makes 120 horsepower for those concerned about the environment and running costs. Drivetrain specifications. Prices. No word yet on pricing, but you don't have to worry about placing an order for the Giulietta Sprint anytime soon, as Alfa Romeo isn't bringing this model stateside. Competition. Volkswagen Golf. Launched at the 2013 New York Auto Show, the seventh-generation Volkswagen Golf is longer, wider and lower than its predecessor. The hatchback is also more aerodynamic than the outgoing model and it returns better fuel economy. The vehicle's new design blends classic Golf elements and brand-new cues alike, and showcases reworked bumpers, a revised front grille and updated lights. Cabin novelties include an upgraded center console with simplified controls, enhanced legroom and shoulder room, and revised trims on all models. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Golf is offered with a choice of two powerplants in the U.S. A 1.8-liter four-cylinder makes 170 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, while a 2.0-liter four-pot diesel generates 150 horsepower and 236 pound-feet. Both units mate to either a manual or an automatic transmission. Pricing begins at $17,995, but a range-topping diesel Golf can retail for more than $29,000. Ford Focus. Updated for the 2015 model year, the current Focus sports the company's trademark front grille and styling cues that debuted on the Fusion sedan. The interior has been updated as well, boasting a more premium look and a brand new sync uplink system. Upgrades continue under its hood, where a 1.0-liter, three-cylinder EcoBoost develops 100 horsepower and returns an EPA-estimated 40 mpg on the highway. The fuel sipper mates exclusively to a 6-speed manual transmission and joins the already familiar 2.0-liter four-pot rated at 160 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. The latter can be had with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Pricing for the 2015 Focus has yet to be revealed, but the sticker should remain close to where it is with the hatchback it replaces. Expect it to retail from just above the $17,000 mark. Conclusion. The Giulietta is not doing too well in a market dominated by the Volkswagen Golf and the Ford Focus, so it's only natural for Alfa Romeo to come up with new versions by clinging on the nameplate's glorious past. But no matter how cool the Giulietta Sprint is compared to its regular sibling, it won't do much towards increasing Giulietta sales. That's not to say the Sprint is a bad idea. If you're nuts about Alfa Romeo and its past iconic cars, this model is a good way to bring that Alfa magic into your garage without buying a classic car. But if you're just looking for a hatchback that's powerful, efficient and rock solid, then you're better off with a car that wears a different badge. Love it exclusive features inside and out brand new engine. Leave it needs a sportier body kit. A 200-plus horsepower engine would have done the Sprint name justice, not coming to US strong competition in Europe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.